Well, hi. First of all, welcome to the show.
How long is this gonna take? I gotta get to the spa.
Wow, okay. Who are some of your influences?
Well, Napoleon was a pal. Bieber, of course, for obvious reasons. Caligula was a wild man, I gotta say that.
You got a little...
Yeah, what are you, here?
Yeah, never mind. Let's up the ante.
Superb.
You've been haunting this metaphysical astral plane for over 600 years. You ever allowed yourself to, contemplate the infinite nature of time?
Nope.
How are the ribs, by the way?
This is eerily reminiscent of a guy I ate in Seattle.
You sure you're okay?
Yep.
Because...
I got a question for you. Who the hell are you?
Beetlejuice Samo kinu.